Hey everyone, it's Jaclyn Forbes, and today I'm going to share with you my Lush skincare routine using all vegan products. Now, it's no secret, but I've been a Lushie for years, and their skincare are some of my favorites, and I feel like it's really a hidden gem of the brand. Now, the reason that I love Lush Skincare is because they use fine essential oils, which makes them really effective, but they're also all handmade. I've actually visited their cosmetic kitchen before, and I got to see it all in action. It's so great to see such simple ingredients come together to create so many different skincare products for a bunch of different needs. So, let's get to it. The first thing that I'm gonna do is exfoliate my skin. This is gonna really make sure that you buff away the dead skin cells and make sure that my skin can really absorb and reap the benefits of all the other products that we're gonna do afterwards. So what I'm gonna take is ocean salt in the self-preserving formula. Little fun fact, ocean salt is one of the best-selling and most well-known products at Lush. So when you open it up, you're gonna see that there's a ton of fine sea salts inside. There's also hand-harvested coarse sea salt. This is gonna be really good for exfoliating away those dead skin cells. So there's a few different ways that you can use this. So I'm gonna take a little scoop and actually add a bit of water inside. Now, if you want more of a gentle polish, you can just add more water. But if you want more of a thorough exfoliation, you can just add less water. So today, I'm gonna add a little more water. There's actually a ton of organic and fresh lime extracted in vodka in here, which not only makes it smell amazing and like you should be on a tropical island somewhere, but it's gonna be really good to enzymatically exfoliate your skin. There's also a ton of avocado butter, coconut oil, seaweed absolute. These are gonna be really nourishing ingredients and help keep your skin soft and hydrated. So that way when you're done exfoliating, your skin isn't crying for moisture. Okay, let's rinse this guy off. Ooh, I'm feeling good. Okay, so next up, we're gonna cleanse. Now this is one of my all-time favorite cleansers. I've been using it for years. It's called Herbalism. And the first thing that you're gonna notice about this is that it's bright green. Do you see that? It's actually from chlorophyllin, which is from alfalfa, which basically just means it has a ton of minerals and nutrients and ingredients that are gonna be really great for your skin. This actually helps balance out oil production, which is exactly what my skin needs. So you're gonna take a little pinch of this, and then you're gonna add some water, and mix it into a nice paste. This also has rice bran inside and ground almonds, and when you mix it together, it makes a beautiful cleansing milk. So you're just gonna massage that into your skin. There's actually some shelled almonds inside, which is gonna be really great to give a gentle exfoliation, but it's gonna be gentle enough for daily use. There's also some rosemary inside and some sage. These are gonna be ingredients that are great for soothing and helping to calm any inflammation on your skin. There's also some rose absolute in this, which is great because it helps tone the skin and soothes for a nice, even complexion. Okay, so now that my skin is all clean, we're gonna move on to a face mask. Now, I've been traveling a ton, so my skin needs some extra love, but I don't necessarily do a face mask all the time. I just kind of listen to my skin and see what it needs. And right now, it definitely needs some Odor Fresh Face Mask. Now, I'm a huge fan of Lush's fresh face masks because they're basically like a smoothie for your skin. You actually have to keep these in the fridge. They're made with that many fresh ingredients. This actually has organic and fresh mashed banana inside, which not only makes it smell amazing, it smells like freshly baked banana bread and it looks like cookie dough. So it's just my two favorite things in the world, honestly. So I'm gonna take a scoop of the face mask and put that all over my skin. The mashed banana is great to help condition the skin. And there's also tons of oats in here, which are a natural antihistamine, which is really great to soothe any inflammation and help ease any sensitivities. So I like to leave the face mask on for at least 10 minutes, but you can leave it on as long as you want. Like honestly, I've left the house with a face mask on before. I'm not ashamed. I embrace a good face mask session. So on top of oatmeal, there's also ground almonds, there's kaolin clay. These are gonna be really great ingredients to gently exfoliate the skin, but also leaving them nice and nourished. So what you can do actually, if you have any dry parts in your body, like your elbows or your knees, you can put the face mask on there and just rinse it off when you're in the shower, and it'll leave you feeling good. Okay, so I think this is good to go. I'm gonna let this sit for 10 minutes before I rinse it off. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes, time to rinse this off. Ooh, my skin's gonna feel so good in about 2 seconds. Okay, I think we are ready to tone the skin now. Now, toning is an often overlooked part of skincare, but it's really important because it can help remove any excess oils or maybe any dirt left on your skin that your cleanser didn't get. So I'm gonna be using the tea tree water toner. This is again an all-time favorite of mine. Not only is it antibacterial with a tea tree inside, but it's also got juniper berry, which is really great to help balance the skin. So I'm actually gonna take a little cotton round here and spray some product on. And then I'm gently gonna wipe away on my skin. So unlike traditional toners, Lush toners don't contain any alcohols or astringents, so it's not gonna leave your skin feeling tight and dry. But instead, there's tea tree, grapefruit, juniper berry waters, which help cleanse and keep the skin feeling nice and fresh. Okay, feeling toned, feeling refreshed. Let's move on. Next up, hands down, one of my favorite steps is moisturizing. I've got Celestial Moisturizer here, which is one of Lush's most delicate moisturizers that they do. It's ideal for skin that's prone to redness, stinging, or irritation. There's a ton of cocoa butter inside, almond oil, almond milk, so it's gonna be really hydrating on the skin and keep it hydrated. Not to mention, there's Dove Orchid Infusion inside, which makes it smell so delicate and so lovely, but it's gonna be really clarifying on the skin. There's also Vanilla Absolute in this, just like in the Odor face mask, which is gonna be really great for soothing any inflammation on the skin and keeping the skin nice and soothed. This moisturizer just makes my skin so soft. I love the way it feels. You'll notice that a lot of the products in my routine have very soothing and calming and hydrating ingredients, just because my skin is very sensitive and very prone to redness. So I think it's really important that you pick skincare products based on your skin's needs and that have ingredients that'll help combat that. So that wraps up my vegan skincare routine. These are hands down some of my favorite products from Lush. Now I know skincare can seem really overwhelming. There's so many options, but what I recommend you do is you visit your local Lush shop and their staff can help pick out the products that are best for your lifestyle and best for your skin's needs. Lush is a non-prescriptive brand, meaning they don't have box set products, but their staff are skincare experts and they can offer personalized consultations. You can even take home samples, that way you can try it out before you commit. Also, just a little FYI, all these black pots here, once you're done with them, and after you've cleaned them out of course, you can return them to your Lush shop, and for every 5 pots that you return, you can actually get a free fresh face mask, which just means more Odor, which makes me happy. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you've ever tried any Lush skincare before or which products you're dying to try out. Thanks so much, I'll see you soon. Bye!